Yes, back.
Red is what? So, right. So wait.
Yeah, good. Science. Yeah, done. That's yeah. Okay.
My green house.
Now you have two more. You have two more. Finish and I'll give you those more. Let's see. What is the happening? Let me observe everything carefully.
That changes. So yellow is not connected and you connected yellow to red.
Okay. Something is not connected. See. This one is not connected. No, see where it is. That's not connected to the extra. Yeah. See, stand up. You see the center. It's not connected. You understand? Yes. So if you see, you say that. When you have it, it's connected.
Okay, so I left it to green. Use a long wire. Use a long wire. You don't have a long wire. Use this one. Use this one. Use this one. Move the last one in. It's okay. What's ready?
Samantha, that's it. I'm observing carefully. Let me see if the red will come. Good. Yeah.
You learn to do.
To learn how to build a traffic light and how it functions. So first, you upload the code on your computer, on your laptop, and you put your traffic lights on your breadboard. And secondly, you look for the GND labeled on the traffic light and you look for a GND labeled on the Arduino board and you connect a wire to the GND labeled on the traffic light. And you also take another wire and connect any digital pin onto the blackboard and you put it on red. And you also take another wire and you put it on any digital pin and put it on yellow. And you take another wire and put it on any digital pin and put it on red and put it on red. And before you upload the pins you wrote, before you upload the pins you connected on your Arduino will take you. Build the traffic lights. And so how the ways of building the traffic lights is
How to what?
Connecting wires together. to code and do what your traffic light to do. And so if you want to turn on the traffic lights, you put the GND wire into the GND over on the traffic lights. And so if you want the colors to on, you put the wires on the traffic lights to make the lights on. But if you don't code it, it wouldn't work. And so you have to code it. You have to code the traffic lights so that you can make it work.
How to make a traffic light? First, you put the GND to GND. The second, red to any digital pin. And third, yellow to any digital pin. And fourth, green to any digital pin. And you code, and the traffic light will come.
A traffic light has a GND. So you take one wire and put it at the GND pins and put it on the board, and you put it on GND. And before you take it, another wire and put it on red. Before red, you can put it on any number here. After you put it on the number, you wait for it to come. If it comes, you take a different wire, you put it on yellow, and you put it on the number again, any number. You wait for yellow to come, and you take a wire, you put it on green, and you put it on any number. If you want to put it on any number, you can put it here. A hole here. I did it. Skin.